Adding a new staff, or teacher. Staff members can include teachers and non-teachers, and are both created and managed in the same place. To add a new staff member, select Staff from the main menu. Then select Add New Staff from the Action menu. Enter the staff's first and last name, with title being optional. The email address is also optional, but without it, the staff member will not be able to log into the system. Select the desired user group. User groups determines the access the user has to different pages and functionality across the system. By default, teachers are able to take attendance and enter grades only for their own classes. For more information on user groups and permissions, see the appropriate help tutorial in the User Groups section. If the staff member also teaches, toggle on Teaches. If not, toggle it off. The difference between a teacher and a non-teacher is determined by the toggle Teaches. When the toggle is on, their name will then appear in the system as a teacher. For example, when creating a class, their name will appear in the list of teachers, whereas other staff members will not. Next, enter the date that the staff member joined your school, and leave the date resigned field empty. For more information on resigned staff members, and the date resigned field, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Staff section. Finally, select Create to create the staff member. If your school has more staff fields, or staff menus, you will now be able to see them, and access them. For detailed instructions on how to add more staff fields, sections, and staff menus, see the appropriate help tutorial in the CRM and Custom Fields section. Select Cancel to go back to the staff list page. You will now see the newly created staff member. If you don't see the staff member, select the appropriate year filter. Please note, staff members only appear in years that are past their joined date. And they will not appear on years that are prior to their joined date. You can also filter the staff list by teachers and non-teachers. You can export the list of staff by selecting Export from the Action menu. You can also email one or more staff members by selecting the desired staff members, and then selecting Email from the Action menu. For detailed instructions on emailing staff members, see the appropriate help tutorial in the Email section.